So we just harvested this zucchini from our garden, and there are many things you can do with zucchini, and I think I have shown you some videos of making some zucchini snack. So today I'm going to show you how to make zucchini salad. So first we are going to spiralize the zucchini. So I just cut it on this one side, and I have the spiralizer here. So you just put it in this and just rotate it, and you can see the spirals coming out of it. And this spiralizer is available in kitchen stores, in Amazon, and it's not that expensive. There are many different types of spiralizers. So I have this handheld one. Okay, look at these spirals. So here I have some ginger grated, and I have the pan here heating up. So I'm going to just pour some olive oil in here. It's maybe 1 tablespoon, and just maybe half tablespoon of grated ginger. You want to make sure that the ginger is cooked. It's not clumped together, and it's turning brown. So I think it is ready. So I'm going to just add all the spirals here and just physically toss it. Just going to put a pinch of salt, a big pinch of salt, and then we are going to top it with lemon. So wait for that. That's it. I've turned the heat off. So now I'm going to squeeze. I'm going to squeeze generous amount of lime here. You do it as per your taste. And just toss it again, and our salad is ready. And it looks very simple, but it's so yummy. The more you leave it on the stove, the more water it will leave. So you don't want to leave it on the stove. And our salad is ready. You can top it with cilantro or green onions or parsley, whatever. So pretty straightforward. Just take some olive oil, saute some grated ginger, then add the zucchini spirals in here, add some salt, and then in the end a squeeze of lemon or lime, and you're done. So I hope this simple recipe was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.